Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the workshop safety. So at the end of this video, you will be able to explain importance of safety and precautions to taken in the workplace, accidents and its causes, types and causes of fire, and how to avoid fire accidents. And also you will be able to read safety signs and provide first aid in the time of requirement. Now we start with the safety first. The question arises in your mind why we have to concern about safety. Because death or injury in a workplace may change lives of a human forever. Every person who leaves for work in a morning should expect to return home at a night in a good health condition. Can you imagine the knock on the door to tell your loved one will never return home, or a phone call saying he is in hospital and may never walk again? No, right? Ensuring that husbands attend to their wives, wives to their husband, parents to their children, and friends to their friends. This is the most important reason to create a safe and healthy environment. This is the important reason, but it is not only the reason. And some of the reasons are practicing safety procedure in workshop increases the quality of product, reducing injury also reduces the cost of work, etc. Now comes to the workshop safety. General safety precautions. These are the precautions that should be taken in workshop. Some of them are as follow safety rules and regulations while doing any job. Avoid unnecessary talking and concentrate more on work. Don't try to stop machine with your hand or with your body. Personal safety. This is the safety concerned with the behavior of a human. Wear loose fitting and uncomfortable dress such includes. Don't wear rings, watches, etc. because they may stuck to machinery and spoil the work. Always wear goggles, shoes, etc. in the workshop. If there is a chance of flying material, compulsory wear the goggles. Safety with the hand tools. This safety is concerned with the hand tools. How to use tools properly without affecting machines, human, etc. Don't use broken hammer. Make sure that are securely fastened to the handle. While using files, take care. Don't hold the work in the hand while doing any of the operations. Don't use the hammer with chips or dents on the face, cracks in the claw section, dents in the hammer handle, etc. Because little care will make the human hand work more comfortable. Safety with the machine. First of all, learn the safe way of doing job in the machine. Before operating, understand the mechanism first. Job must be held properly in the vise. Cutter must be held properly. Only the recommended lubrication and cooling system are used. If any accidents happens, get first aid for your injuries. Here figure showed the safety. Always use safeguarded machinery. Safety in the workshop. Always keep your mind on the task, what you are doing. Store the tools in a proper place. Provide proper light, ventilation, etc. while you are doing the job. If any job slips from its vice, don't attempt to stop it. Attempt to stop the machine rather than attempt to stop the job. Safety electrical applications. Any fault in working should be reported to the concerned authority. Isolated switch must be used in case of emergency because this is the switch which is used to stop the machine and all other work equipment immediately. Wire should not be pulled like a rope because the insulation may be damaged and it will give you a shock. Shock-proof gloves and shoes should be used while working on electrical points. Don't plug too many wires for a single socket because it may cause overload. Safety with lifting loads. Lift the load according to your physique and health condition. Before lifting the load, make sure the route is cleared from the obstacles. Don't lift load which may cause strain in your body. While lowering the load, bend at the knee to semi-square position and place the load at a required place. Accidents. What is an accident? An accident is an unplanned and uncontrolled event in which there is a loss of human life or loss of production. What are the results of accidents? The result of an accident are such as complete loss of factory or equipment, loss of production, loss of life, etc. And a survey estimated that 6,21,000 workers sustained a non-fatal injury at work according to the self-report. Let's talk about the causes of an accident. The causes of an accident are such as first one is a human causes. These are due to carelessness and overconfidence of a worker. Next one is hand tools. Suitable hand tool must be selected for suitable job. Working conditions. Poor light, insufficient space, and poor ventilation, etc. Machines. Unguarded machines, poor maintenance, etc. Materials. Due to storage of inflammable material at a insecure place, etc. Person himself. This occurs due to improper dress code, improper positions, and loose fitting, etc. Fire and fire accidents. Fire is nothing but burning of combustible matter. The accidents which are occurred by fire are called the fire accidents. Class A, Class B, Class C, and Class D are the different types of fire accidents occurred. Class A, ordinary combustible material like paper, wood, rubber, textile, etc. comes under Class A. Class B, flammable liquid like gasoline, solvent, etc. comes under Class B. Fire due to electrical equipment comes under Class C. And fire due to chemical like magnesium, potassium, etc. comes under Class D. An extinguishing agent should be used to put out the fire. It may be dry type or water type. Let's talk about the precaution to be taken to avoid fire. In any workplace, fire bucket full of sand and water should be placed at the different places the workshop. Inflammable materials should be kept separately in non-contact with any other equipment or machinery. Carbon dioxide should be made available in some containers because it is an extinguishing agent. All the electric equipment should be turned off before closing the workshop. Switches and other electrical fitting parts made of shockproof materials. Now comes to the first aid. What is first aid? It is the immediate and temporary care given to a person who has met with an accident. The steps to be taken while any person met with an accident are such as use proper first aid for the injury, ask someone to call for a doctor and an ambulance if required, don't move the victim unless he is in danger of further injury. Don't leave the victim alone and reassure the victim he will be alright because good mental attitude is necessary in case of accidents. Now comes to the one of the more important part, that is safety signs. These are the signs should be taken in the any workshop. First one is prohibition sign. These are the signs with a red bordered black symbol on white background. Here are some examples. Pedestrian prohibited, smoking prohibited, spraying of water on fire is prohibited. Mandatory sign, white symbol and blue background. Here are some examples. Wear goggles, wear shoes, etc. Warning sign. These signs are triangular in shape, having yellow background with black bordering. Example: toxic, hazardous, risk of fire, etc. Information signs. These signs are square in shape, having white symbol on green background. Example: first aid point. I hope you like this video. If you want more video like this, then don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.